Section 6 now covers example A. It says, the shaded piece of glass shown below is one of the triangles Jason needs to replace. Jason knows that in this section of the glass facade, the measure of angle 2 is 3 times the measure of angle 1. What are the measures of all angles in the piece of glass? By the exterior angle theorem, you know that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 124 degrees. You also know that the measure of angle 2 equals 3 times the measure of angle 1. Use substitution to find the measure of angle 1. So I put the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 124. And the measure of angle 1 plus 3 times the measure of angle 1 equals 124. Well, that would be 4 times the measure of angle 1 equals 124. If we divide by 4, the measure of angle 1 is 31 degrees. Now find the measure of angle 2. Well, we know that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 124 degrees. Well, we just found that the measure of angle 1 equals 31 degrees. So 31 degrees plus the measure of angle 2 equals 124. So when we use the subtraction property, the measure of angle 2 equals 93 degrees. One way to find the measure of angle 3 is to use the triangle sum theorem. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. 31 plus 93, because those are 1 and 2, plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. When subtracting those from both sides, you get the measure of angle 3 equals 56. The other way to go about this is you know that the measure of angle 3 plus the 124 degrees equals 180 because they're a linear pair. So once I subtract 124 from both sides, I get the measure of angle 3 equals 56 degrees. So I could have found that way back at the beginning, but it doesn't matter. Okay? Here you're going to have the try these A. It says if the measure of angle 2 equals 10x plus 2 and the measure of angle 1 equals 11x minus 11, complete the following. Find the measure of angle 1, the measure of angle 2, and the measure of angle 3. I'm going to tell you that you might need about 5 minutes to work on this problem. On the next slide, you're going to see time to climb. Good luck.